Welcome. Let us solve this numerical as a third exercise in this laboratory. Aim of the experiment: to compute SFD and BMD for a simply supported beam carrying uniformly distributed load of 24 kN per meter over its span of 3 meters length. Young's modulus given, mild steel material, length 3 meters, cross-sectional area mentioned, Poisson's ratio is also mentioned. Let us start with the pattern. I have already opened file. I'll open a new file, and here path giving is very important, crucial. Select a folder where you have to save this file. Exercise 3. See, this path is crucial. Then give the file name so that this file is saved inside this folder. So, exercise 3 I'll give. OK. The commands are activated. It's a structural analysis. So I'll click OK here. Creating the geometry. Action is to create curve by XYZ method. The length is 3 meters. Auto execute off. Apply. Geometry is created. Properties, isotropic properties, mild steel. Click on input properties here. 210 E9 Newton per meter square. Poisson's ratio is 0.27. Click OK. Apply. So here I am getting a confirmation that material has been created. This one, material isotropic, you can see here, mild steel, some name is given here. Okay. Then it is a beam. I need to give the cross section. So let me see SSB, simply supported beam. Property name. Input properties. I should select the cross section first. It's a filled cross section rectangle. Give the name rectangular. Width and height 0.2 and 0.3. You can press tab button to get into this, or you can click here and type. Click OK. You can observe rectangular has come. Material selection from here. Already created material. Bar orientation 0, -1, 0. Close the bracket. Click OK. Select application region. Click on the curve. It should appear here. Add. OK. Apply. So property set SSB created. This confirms that beam has been created. Now meshing. Object is mesh. Curve. Select the curve. By default it will give 0.3, 10 elements. Let it be OK, because we are applying the load overall to throughout the length. So click apply. 10 elements are created. 11 nodes are created. What type of element it is? It's a bar element with the 2 nodes. Bar element with the 2 nodes. Now loads and boundary conditions. Displacement should be fixed at one end. Constraint I will give. Constraint, input data, both rotation and translations to be fixed. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Click OK. Select application region. Before that I should see the nodes here. So in the home button, click label. Click this arrow mark, all labels. Now here FEM. Select the node 1. Add. OK. Apply. See, I should observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 degrees of freedom are restricted. Now let me apply UDL here. I think we need to select a distributed load, element uniform. I'll type here UDL. Here it make it 1D. Then input data. In Y direction we have. I don't need to give it as a -1. So along X it is 0. Along Y it is 24 E3 kilonewton, 0. OK. Select application region. Select the entire elements. Add. OK. Apply. So it is throughout 24,000 kilonewton is 24 kilonewton is applied. Now analysis. Oh, I'm sorry. Here boundary condition displacement I need to fix here also. It is a simply supported beam. So I'll remove this. Delete constraint. Apply. I removed this. So again create displacement nodal constraint I'll give. Since it is a simply supported beam, okay, I'll not go with this. I'll leave this blank. Momentum. Here also I can fix only y, that is enough. Okay. Select application region along with node 1. I should select node 11 also. Okay. Apply. See, this is enough. 1, 2, 3. 3 translation are fixed. Now analysis. Analyze entire model. Analysis deck here. Sub cases. Carefully select this. It should appear in blue default. Output request. Select displacement. Element stress. Constraint forces. Element forces applied loads and element strains. Click OK. Apply. Cancel. Apply. No analysis requested if you get. Ensures the procedure followed is correct. Now let us go to Nastran. You can observe in the exercise 3 there is a PDF file, journal file and a database file. Now let me go to Nastran. In my folder I should select a proper folder, proper path, exercise 3 is selected, open, run. When Nastran is being run, you can observe the files are being created. Once Nastran is over, automatically it closes. Here F06 file is important. Open it. Control F. Find fatal. If there is any error, it will show. Yes, there is an error 9050. In this case, you need to copy this param bailout -1. Copy. Close this. Open PDF file. Find param PRT maximus. Enter. Paste it here. Save this file. Close, run again. Open Nastran, exercise 3, open, run. It will solve the file. I think it is done. Open F06 again. Check for Control F, find fatal. There is no error now. The error has been sorted out. Don't save. You don't need to save this. Now again open pattern. Instead of analyze, we need to use access results. HD file. Select result file. Select from here. OK. Apply. You should get end attach result file. That ensures the solution is done properly. Otherwise, you will get begin attach file. If there is an error, it will result in begin attach file. So let us look at the results. Displacement translational. Here also select displacement translational. Apply. 2.74 into 10 to the power -4 millimeters. You can save this file. Image. Here you can write displacement. Apply. It has been written. So now you can reset the graphics. Go to utilities. Results, beam results, select the first one, select X and Y, show values, click here, make a box and select the entire elements 1 to 10, apply. This is shear force diagram. File, images, SFD, apply. It has been written. You can close this, you can reset graphics. You can refresh graphics, select the second result, select Y and Z, apply. Okay. Or probably I need to check the orientation here. Home, orientation. Okay, alright, it is showing in a different direction, but the idea is it is a curve. BMD is a curve. Now this also you can write image BMD, apply. It has been written in the file. Second result. That's all about this exercise. Thank you.